Alright, this is Rob with Reyff Designs again, and we're doing a quick episode video of the Devil's Head Choppers bolt cover kit. And this will be this is what this video will be all about. Alright, we're back, and this is a magnetic bolt kit for Indian from the Devil's Head Choppers. You get 3 different sizes, 1, 2, and 3. Size 3 is for the primary bolts, size 1 is for the smaller bolts, and size 2 is for the rocker bolts, which are on top. Pretty basic, and they're magnetic, so they come on and off. They're packaged really well, and we'll go ahead and tackle this. We'll do size 3 first. Alright, these are the head bolts. They fit pretty nice. I've kind of pre-done these a couple times. Makes them look fairly nice. There's only a couple of these that you actually physically see. Another one up here. One right there. Okay, we'll go to the other side. One right there. And that one might be easier from the other side. I don't know yet. There's my vent tube. Alright, let's try it from the other side then. Alright, let me get a screwdriver. Alright. It's kind of a pain because where it sits. Actually, let me go fill on the other side. One came back off. Not sure if we'd ever see this one, but I have it. Might as well put it on there if it will fit. There it goes. All right, those are wrong. All right, so these are the engine bolt ones. They go on pretty nice and easy. Kind of beautify the engine a little bit. Can you make these yourself and find the caps and put the magnets? Yes. I had a good friend of mine who did this for his bike. Spent some time gluing the magnets in, but I wanted to see how this kit was. See if I would like it, and I think I do. Okay. I think these ones, I see, these are number 2. These are not number 3 primary ones. I think they do look good better on here. Good. Down here. And down here. Gotta beautify it a little bit. And this one I'm not so sure how we're going to do, because oh, okay, it fits decently. Okay, you want to get really crazy, we can put them in here. Kind of clean up these. And I have 3 more on the other side. Here. Okay, that one fits there. That's about the only one. Oh yeah. And that's what these are for then. So these are your number 3s. So you have 1, 2, 3. You have one right in here. We have the number 2s. That's what I use there. The number 1s are for the heads. Those are the really big ones. And the number 3s are for those other bolts that you saw that I just put them on. So with this kit, I've got, I'm sure there'll probably be other areas I want to add these to. So with this kit, I still have number 3s left. Still have some number 1s left. I think it makes it look good. Covers those bolts. There might be a issue where you might get some water trapped underneath these, so you might want to check them here and there. But all in all, I think it makes it look stellar. So for that, this is Rob Reyff Designs. I hope you like, subscribe, enjoyed this little quick video, and from there on, if you like them, buy them. If not, make your own. Or 3, don't buy them at all. All right, later.